This is Keith. So the affiliate marketing course is now live, and you can actually enroll right now for about $9. That should be about 175 kwacha. So what is this course? What should we expect from this course? Okay, well, I'm sure you might have come across my video about last year or 2 years ago on how I actually made about $1,000 from affiliate marketing, and I've actually made several videos about affiliate marketing on both of my channels. Okay, but today, okay, I've decided to, okay, but now I decided to actually make a course and explain everything in detail, step by step, so that you can understand and follow better. So this course will actually teach you everything you need to know, like the mistakes I made in affiliate marketing and the exact steps I took for me to be able to generate that $1,000, okay, in affiliate marketing. Okay, so of about 2 years ago, okay, when I heard about affiliate marketing, I actually watched a lot of videos on YouTube about affiliate marketing. So I actually tried affiliate marketing for about 2 years. I watched every single video on YouTube and it never worked for me. Not until in my 3rd year when I told myself, was like, no, if affiliate marketing can work for other people, then it has to work for me no matter what. So I gave myself a challenge to make $1,000. Okay, and I tried my own method and I was finally able to do that. So if I was able to do that, that means that even you can. Okay, yeah. So give this video a try. No, give this course a try. So by the way, the course is on my website. Like once you pay, you get instant access, and the access you get is permanent access. Okay, once you pay, only pay once. And the good part is that you'll be able to learn from anywhere at any time. Okay, the course is on my website, which is an e-learning platform. So all you need to do is pay, get access, okay, log in and learn from anywhere at any time. Okay, everything is detailed. So to get started with affiliate marketing, all you need is a smartphone. Okay, having a computer for this one is not necessary. For this one, can be done with a single phone. Yeah, okay. So let me just explain a bit about what affiliate marketing is, so that you can have an idea of what you are getting into. So in simple terms, affiliate marketing, this is where you actually promote products and you get paid for that. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, don't confuse yourself affiliate marketing with network marketing. These two are different things. So with affiliate marketing, okay, you sign up on a website, on a company, okay, you get your referral link, okay, or a trackable link that you can share anywhere, and when someone buys a product or a service through your link, you'll be able to see the statistics and you'll be able to generate a sale and you make money. So different companies, they offer different percentages, okay, but when it comes to network marketing, or what is known as multi-level marketing, or MLM, such as long reach and stuff like that, okay, these are platforms, okay, yeah, you get paid to promote things, but for you to promote something, you physically have to buy it. So you physically have to buy something in network marketing for you to promote. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't have to promote anything, and this is why affiliate marketing is the best, because you don't really need to have money, because all you need to do is get a link and share that link. But for network marketing, you have to buy the product and sell to another person. Okay, the other difference is that when it comes to network marketing, there's the recruiting part. Okay, you have to build your network. You have to invite 2 people. Those 2 people have to invite another 2 people, and the list, the network goes on. And the thing is that those people at the top, they earn more money. Those people at the down below, okay, they earn less. So it's a little bit hard for network marketing. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, there is no recruiting involved. All you need to do is have some marketing skills, okay, to actually generate sales. And in my course, that's what it's going to teach you. So I share ways on how you can actually promote things for free. So by the way, I was able to generate sales of up to $1,300 dollars by using free marketing methods. Okay, I didn't pay anything. So Even in the course, you'll be able to do that without actually having to use paid marketing stuff. So this is it about this video. Okay, sign up now, contact me on WhatsApp to enroll and begin your affiliate marketing journey, and I'll be there to help you on this journey. This is key.